Hello awesome fans, I'm back with a brand new video. I'm sorry I have not been uploading. So we tried this new recipe out. It's called a Flaming Hot Cheeto Chicken Fingers. And we are showing you the taste test, and I also made a sauce with it. And it's just mayonnaise and ketchup. So it's almost like a $1,000 dressing, but we're not gonna put radish in it. But I will show you our plates.
Yeah, so this is a Flamin' Hot chicken, Cheeto chicken. So first you have two things for dry and wet. So you put olive oil, lime juice, and oregano. You shake it up a little bit, and then you would get a food processor, and you put the Flamin' Hot Cheetos or your favorite kind of chips in it. You grind it up, and then after you grind it up, you put it in another container. And then you would put the chicken in the wet, do it twice. Then you put it in the other dry with the Cheeto dust. And you do it twice again, and you flip it over twice again. And then you put it in the air fryer. And then when it's all done, while it's still cooking, we do a vegetable. Today we did a potato with broccoli, corn, carrots, and peppers, and to go with it. And this is the main dish. Don't forget to subscribe to, oh yeah, the taste test. You gotta taste it. I'm gonna use it with my fingers. My God, it's so good.
Now it's my turn.
It's so good.
So good. The flavor is also good. I suggest you guys try this recipe. Very easy in the air fryer. I prefer it in the air fryer than the stove or the oven. Please like, subscribe, favorite, and that's it. Shout outs to, I'm not gonna do my name, everybody in the whole wide world.
Yes.
And even for Eva and also Kathy.
We love you.
Feel better, feel well. Cool man and cool woman, just don't forget to keep it cool.